you realize that the ego cannot comprehend the truth. Your ego self cannot comprehend the truth, and your ego gives up. And that is one hand clap or slap in the spiritual sense, one hand slap on your face, and then you straighten up to anchor in reality. And that's where now life unfolds with ease, without drama. Until we get the one hand slap, the spiritual slap, the internal drama never ends. The fear never ends. The conflict never ends. The struggle never ends. Yes, there's a joy. There's a pleasure in life. But the conflict never ends. And the spiritual journey is about ending the inner struggle, ending the inner drama, ending the fear in life. If that is not there yet, then you need a slap on your face first, that everything you know so far is an idea and truth is not idea. Reflect on that. And if you recognize that everything you know so far is an idea or a visual effect, then you can reorient yourself. That's the first slap in the spiritual journey. And the ultimate slap is the total destruction of the ego. Okay, I hope this video makes sense to you to some extent. Only through the dismantling work, again, in my experience, I tried everything, but nothing worked until I involved in self-inquiry. And self-inquiry liberate me from my inner struggle. And from that, from my experience, I'm telling you this, that the journey to freedom from the fear, freedom from the inner conflict, is self-inquiry. Dismantling is the must. Okay. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.